Okay, new video log. Haven't done this in a while. Car's running great. It's a little louder than normal. Did a little exhaust work on it. It's got the Subaru sound back. I missed it. It was too quiet. So now it's back. Saturday, sun's going down. It's nice out. What could you ask for? Got a full tank of E85. Going out to get some Chick-fil-A. Haven't really done anything to the car. I did get a new dash cam put in. Well, I put it in. A Mobius. It's actually very nice. The video quality rivals a GoPro. Cost me about $100 when I was all said and done. I got it wired in so that it comes on when the car's on, turns on when the car's off. I'm happy with it. It's got a capacitor so it will survive Texas summers. My last one died because it got so hot, the lithium battery inside of it started to expand, and I replaced it once. The replacement lasted about 3 months, and the sensor overheated, so it basically burned. It basically like fogged up the sensor because it was so hot. I mean, the average temps in the summer is like 90 degrees, so it just killed it. I even added I added a heatsink to it. Didn't work. I put a heatsink on this one, and so far so good. Now the other thing is the other camera that I had recorded 24/7, so this new one's only on when the car's on. So hopefully I get more life out of it. But so far it's exceeding my expectations. I'll put a link in the description for the one that I have. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I got the microphone attached to my seatbelt. It's just been so hot, and I'm just so tired of screwing with the car. I think I finally got it where I want it. I do need to do some more logging. The last time I did logging was like December. Get that off to my tuner. It's just such a pain in the ass. It's such a hassle. Plugging it all in, getting the laptop charged, making sure it actually records, because I've run into that where I've turned it on, hit record, thought I was logging, broke the speed limit, and then come home and there's no logs. It's like, oh, you get so angry. It's so frustrating. But I need to do it. The car's running great otherwise. I mean, with full E85, I'm not running any issues. Sounds great. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's just overall Can't complain. Man, that guy's got a full-on iPad mounted to his dash, and he's sitting there staring at it. One thing, it has been running a little warm, but it is 95 degrees out and I don't have the air conditioning on, so the cooling fans aren't kicking on. I'm going to have my tuner lower the cooling fan engagement temp. Not really exciting vlog, I apologize. I'm just trying to go get some dinner. Get some dinner. This is a long light. I did goose it pretty hard the other day. I was pulling out of this Whataburger and I was turning left and I was turning left into the left lane, and a car decided he was coming from the right-hand lane, the curb lane, decided that he needed to be in my lane. And he was moving pretty fast. So what I did is I goosed it. I stepped on it in first gear, spun pretty much all of first gear, chirped second. I just kept thinking, man, I hope there's no cops around, because I didn't really do that on purpose. I just didn't want to get rear-ended. I'll play that clip for you now. Whoops. So what'd you think? That's from the Mobius. The video quality is just unbelievable. I mean, it's fantastic for $100. I mean, it's as good as my Hero 3 GoPro. 1080p, 30 frames a second. 60 frames at 720p, and I don't really care about night quality. I have yet to really look at what it looks like at night. I don't want to stop for this light. I've been getting like 15 miles to the gallon because I cannot keep my foot out of it, and it's E85. I haven't even been looking at the prices. Filling up, it's like under 20 bucks a tank. I can't complain. It's a nice day. It's cooled off finally. Still humid as hell. The thing I like about the exhaust is it's tame. Well, when you're not downshifting like an idiot. But it's tame when you're in gear. It's not droney or loud or annoying. It's just loud enough to be, you know, awesome, but not like, look at that guy. I'm not that guy. Who knows? I have yet to have somebody else drive my car and sit behind me. I could be that guy for all I know. Just deal with it. I'm just glad it's not raspy. Coming over. See, now that I'm in 6, there's just hardly any noise, 50 miles an hour. I want to get a beater car though. Something I don't feel bad about parking wherever. If I want to go to Walmart, I don't want to take this thing. I'll be worried about who's doing what to it while I'm shopping. There are some things I want to work on though. I've got to fix my footwell lighting. That's all haggard, it's all messed up. The driver's side cut out, the passenger side, it's been so hot that the glue has left off the it's given up, so it's like hanging and like half the LEDs are turned off. It's bad. But it's just been like 100 degrees out, and I don't want to sit in my garage and just take a bath in my own sweat. No, thank you. So now I'm in an area that is notorious for having cops everywhere. I have to just like play it cool. Wow, that's a bright orange Corvette. It's like safety vest orange. Insane. Insane. Oh. People are gonna yell at me about that, but I don't give a shit. $306 for super, man. I forget what I'm paying for E85, like $215. Remember when I got it to about $1.25? It was awesome. Had that Kroger discount. That Kroger discount. Shut her down. Oh, I hate this entrance. It's so bad. So bad. Come on, I just want to get my Chick-fil-A on. Oh, I got a light out. Damn, that sucks. One of my daytime running lights are out again. It's so annoying. Mucho annoying. Through the drive-thru. Excellent. pisses me off. Now I gotta fix that stupid daytime running light. So there's a car show going on. You can't see it from here. It's mostly American Muscle, but every once in a while I like to show up and troll with my supercharged 4-banger. I don't see very many imports. Mostly Corvettes and Mustangs and Camaros. Yep. Exciting vlog. This is the longest order I've ever seen. I don't see anybody I know. Going nowhere. I watched a vlog the other day. This guy on a motorcycle wants to get a Happy Meal, and he's on like a sport bike, and he's like, he pays, and he's like, I'm gonna go to the other window as fast as I can. And I swear to God, I thought he was gonna flip over. Hi, can I get a number 8 with no tomatoes or lettuce?
No tomato or lettuce?
And a Coke to drink?
A Coke?
Yep.
Okay, what else can I get for you?
That'll be it.
Okay, your total is $8.65 and it'll be on the window.
Thank you. Man, that really pisses me off that my stupid daytime running light's out. Oh, let's fix the mic. There we go. Oh, can you believe it's 8 o'clock? Light's still out? Oh, there's somebody going for a ticket. Chick-fil-A is usually pretty quick, but the car show going on, they're probably slammed inside. This takes me back to my Whataburger videos way back when. Hi.
865.
Thank you.
Any sauces?
Just ketchup, please. Thank you. It's a habit. I can't help it.
There you go.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good day.
Let's get the hell out of here. gonna make this one. See, I can't help it. It's like ingrained in my memory. Shake it. Just gotta keep shaking it. Just gotta make sure I'm not in gear. I did do that once. Where was I? I was in Austin. If you ever been in Austin, you've parked on South Congress, where on South Congress you back into spots, which is totally bizarre. And I backed into a spot. Oh God. And then I did not shake the stick, let the gear out, installed it right there in the parking lot or parking spot. Felt like an idiot. It's because I was distracted. I was playing with my phone. Idiot. I had the parking brake up, so the car like lunged forward just a little bit. I felt stupid. Funny, I was right next to a Corvette, and the older Corvette drivers, some of them, they don't know what this car is, and so they're real hesitant to rev it or try anything. The Mustang guys and the Camaro guys know what the car is, and they'll try to fuck with me. And then all the tuner guys, of course, want to fuck with me. And it's funny how it seems like the older generations, if they don't know what the car is, all bets are off. They don't, they're not going to rev it. They're not going to try to race because they don't know, what the car is. The younger generation's just like, fuck it. Doors blown off, doesn't matter. At least I tried. Not for me, not a racer. I am not. This isn't a straight line car, and even with a turbo, there's not really. The car is just not made for it. It's made for handling and having fun. And have fun, I do. See if I can catch all the lights. Every single light. This is terrible. I'm tired of all the lights. Trucks, on the other hand, they'll do everything they can to fuck with you. Doesn't matter if it's 1995 Silverado or a Nissan Titan Pathfinder or whatever. You're their plaything and they just want to fuck with you all day. And it's frustrating, but I don't give in. It's like, what's the point? I'm here to have fun. I'm not here to challenge and race people. Be a douche. Car's running good. Temps are good. It's hot though. 100 degree intake temperatures they're a pain in the ass. I like when it's cooler out. The car just runs better. E85 helps with the intake, but it only helps so much. When you're sitting there at the light and your intake temperatures are getting in the 130s, it's just like, oh. This kills me. Having terrible luck with these lights. Oh. This is the Whataburger I decided to do a rolling burnout out of. I don't go to this Whataburger for that exact fact. Like, I will avoid places just because getting in and out of them is a pain in the ass. Like, there's a Panda Express right in front of me that I refuse to go to because unless you're going one direction, it's not worth it. Okay, shut her down. So yeah, still fun to drive. Not a lot of power, just enough power to have fun. Enough power to get you in trouble. I know this wasn't the best vlog, but I'm trying to do the best I can with what I have, and you know, I figured, what the hell, go to Chick-fil-A, make a video log. People like watching it, I'll keep making them. Next video log, I want to do something a little bit special. Get all my cameras out, get my DSLR, get some rolling shots. I want to get some shots of me driving the car from outside the car. Hopefully that's possible. And get some help from some friends. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video log. It might not seem like it, but I tried to do a lot of work to make sure the audio, the video, everything's, you know, at least that's good. If that's not good, what's the point, you know? So, thanks for watching. I appreciate you subscribing, and here's the next video log. Thanks for watching.